To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Pull the air hose back to disengage it with the filter housing. Disengage the fasteners. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing. Reinstall the filter housing frame. Align the tabs with their catch. Re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the hose. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.